और महिला सशक्तिकरण के क्षेत्र में अपने महत्वपूर्ण योगदान के लिए इस वर्ष का मैत्रेयी पुरस्कार प्रदान किया जा रहा है नॉर्थ वेस्ट मुंबई महाराष्ट्र से कांग्रेस की सांसद प्रिया दत्त जी को। हम सब जानते हैं प्रिया दत्त जी का जो योगदान समाज के विभिन्न कार्यों में रहा है। प्रिया दत्त जी को इस वर्ष भारतीय छात्र संसद के मंच से उनके अभूतपूर्व कार्यों को देखते हुए मैत्रेयी पुरस्कार से नवाजा जाएगा। तालियों की जोरदार गड़गड़ाहट के साथ एक ऐसी नेता का सम्मान जो युवा नेत्रियों के लिए एक प्रेरणा है, देश की नारियों और महिलाओं के लिए एक प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। प्रिया जी, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? ये एक ऐसा अवसर, एक ऐसा मौका जबकि हमारे बीच ऐसे किरदार जो हम में से ही उठे हैं लेकिन आज उन्होंने अपना एक मकाम हासिल किया है, उन लोगों को सम्मानित करने का ये मंच और हमारे लिए ये एक ऐसा मौका, एक ऐसा अवसर जबकि हम इन महान विभूतियों से मुलाकात कर सकते हैं, मिल सकते हैं, उनकी बात को सुन सकते हैं। और अब मैं प्रिया जी से गुजारिश करूंगी कि वो हमसे मुखातिब हों, हमारे छात्रों के नाम अपना संदेश दें।
Dignitaries on the dais, very vibrant student leaders present here from all over the country, a very warm welcome. With great humility, I welcome and receive this award today. And I have to congratulate Rahul ji for initiating this great जो मंच है of the student leaders. I've never seen this kind of discipline and this kind of gathering under one roof before. So congratulations to all of you. And I think it's a very important need to really bring young minds together, because after all, the future lies with you. All we can do is give you a direction. And in today's light, when politics has become such a dirty word, and whenever I meet students and interact with them, and I ask them, how many of you really want to be in politics? And no one raises their hands. But if I ask you, how many of you want to be in politics? How many? Maximum of you want to be in politics, which is a wonderful sign. Media has played, I must say, a very important role in creating perceptions. But I am an eternal optimist. I feel our country, who got independence in 1947, has achieved a lot, has achieved tremendously. But when we look at what is available through media, when we see or hear what's happening on social media, which is the new buzzword, all we hear is negative news. I open the newspaper in the morning and I begin my day feeling really low and dejected, because all I see is negativity. किसी ने बहुत अच्छा कहा कि क्रोध और नफरत से देश नहीं बनते. You cannot make a country with hatred and anger. Countries have fallen because of that. What we have to see is what direction we can give a country. हमारी दूरदृष्टि होनी चाहिए कि हम इस देश को कहां तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, और उसके जो रिजल्ट्स हैं आपको चंद दिनों में या कुछ सालों में दिखाई नहीं देंगे, लेकिन जो रिजल्ट्स हैं आपको 20 सालों तक में दिखाई देंगे. And I give this example to a lot of youngsters, and I know there is a fire burning in them. There is anger, but how do we contain that anger to channelize it in a positive direction so that that energy can go towards contributing towards a great nation, for building a great nation. And I think with that, I feel it's very important to have a sense of nationalism and pride for your country, which somewhere we lack. Maybe not enough in our education system, not enough knowledge about the progression of this country. I think all that contributes to the mindset of the youth today. I was very young, and I want to give you an anecdote of an incident in my own life. When I joined my father for a Padyatra from Mumbai to Amritsar, it was a peace march when Punjab was burning. And at that time, and I was a young girl in college, and very much like youngsters who don't know anything besides their own college, their own city. But he had a passion, and he believed that with love and commitment and with a clean conscience, I can make a difference. People laughed, press laughed that this will never happen, because the whole journey was 78 days by foot. But we made it. And you won't believe it, while we were walking towards the Golden Temple, we used to get letters of threat that the moment you enter Punjab, we will kill you. The moment you enter this area, we will kill you. So we were constantly fighting against, but that I feel was an Andolan. Not with violence, but with love. And I think that is what the culture of this country is. When we speak about our leaders like Gandhi ji and his values, which many, many have forgotten today. And I think that needs to be reinstilled again. I only wish that all the students present here become a voice, a positive voice of change. And when I see what is happening in our country today, I don't look at it negatively. I look at it as a churning, as a beginning of change. And I think that is what is needed. The face of this country has changed, the demographics has changed, the polity has changed. And we have to change with it. But a government cannot work in isolation. Every single citizen of the country has to contribute towards change, towards good governance. And I think politics today is about partnership. Partnership about the elected representatives, partnership with the citizens, partnership with social groups, with activists. It is a partnership which will contribute to the growth of this country. I thank Rahul ji from the bottom of my heart to really give me this opportunity to speak to so many vibrant minds sitting here today. And I thank you very much for listening to me so patiently. Jai Hind.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रिया दत्त जी.